everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. As you have probably seen, I have a 22 mini in black with pearls, and I am just doing this video. Obviously the same specs apply. I'm just doing this video to show you the color of the rose gold, which does have a rose gold tinge, but still light gold hardware. I was a little surprised about that. So you can see this is a very true to life color because of the lighting in this room. And this is not edited in terms of color on the video. Okay, so for those of you that are interested in seeing it, you can see how it looks. You can see I have not used this bag. It does have a pretty deep crinkle here, a wrinkle that I'm not even sure would come out. That's the nature of the kind of floppiness of this bag and its slouchiness. So for those of you looking for this one, I have done a video on what this holds. And I will show you what the chain looks like for those of you that are interested in maybe picking up the rose gold edition. So they did something a little bit different and a couple of things I don't like. If you watched my other video, you know that I do not like that there's no magnetic closure. I think it was a very poor choice, poor design. I have heard this bag is coming back in the future and maybe they will add the magnet. Maybe, we can hope. For this price, they need to give us a magnet. Okay, let's be honest. This is what the chain looks like. It does have rose gold with rose gold, or this light gold color. And then it also has this other leather, actually it may be leather, I'm not entirely sure. Another strap inside as well, which looks like this. So if you are interested in seeing what this fits, definitely check out my 22 mini black video. I'll put it up here on the card so you can go there for reference, but I want to show you the color of this one. And then you can see on 5'4" for reference, you can see where this hangs on the body. It hangs lower than a Constance to go, a little bit higher than a wallet on chain. And it definitely has that slouchy, I think, cool city vibe effect with some chains hanging off the front. And for me, I have a full-size 22 in this color, and it's been one of my absolute favorite bags because of its, well, one, I wear a lot of rose gold, but also it's just a really easy bag to wear. So personally, I'd recommend it. There is some speculation that this is bonded leather. For those of you who have been watching my videos for a while, you know that some folks that work at Chanel in different regions did confirm that to me. Of course, whether it's really true, I can't say for certain, but definitely has a different feel than many of the other bags and feels a lot like some of the 19 bags that have made their way recently onto the floor. So again, for the sake of checking out the color, here is the tag, by the way, if you are looking for this bag. For those of you, for the sake of looking for the color, here it is, and it looks like it will be released again in the future. I hope you found this video interesting. It does not match my orange shirt, and have a wonderful day or evening wherever you are.